After a 20 hours journey to Halong Bay, it is time to finally explore the hotel and the surrounding. The room's equipped with timber flooring and spacious floor-to-ceiling, and it felt really luxurious with some of the most quintessential view of Halong Bay. Wow, and then you got a little balcony spot here that looks down to the bay. Imagine if this is at night and it's all lit up. We came in pretty late, so I think everyone's asleep, but yeah, you can see the pool here and then the bay, which we're gonna be exploring tomorrow. All right, let's go down and check out some more part of the hotel. All right, so now we're gonna go down to level 3 now, have some breakfast. So hungry right now. Wow, it's actually bigger than I thought. This is incredible. And they even got an outdoor area, look at this. The little patio area outside, overlooking the bay. Wow. Look at that view, amazing. You can see the bay there, but yeah, it's a little smoky, hazy, bit of pollution, I guess. Man, there's like a massive buffet selection. I just don't know what to get. It's gonna have to check out each of one of them. Thank you. And just that tad bit of fish sauce is just the best thing ever. So to feel a little bit more traditional, I'm gonna start off with pho here, which is like pho noodle, but it's with the beef there. But yeah, better eat it fast before it's overcooked. I don't see there's any hoisin sauce here. I love hoisin sauce, so I just added a little bit of the fish sauce there. That silky rice noodle, look at that, beautiful. It smells so nice. Oh wow, that is incredibly smooth, that noodle. Compared to Sydney, this is incredible, even though it's just from a hotel. Oh man, that's tasty beefy broth there. Oh, but it's like a very clear broth there. Usually it's kind of murky. This one's quite clear, but you can taste that beefiness in it. Oh man, just a perfect level of saltness as well. And you've got the coriander, which is like refreshing, so beautiful. And with breakfast done, it was time to check out the amenities here. First up, the infinity pool. Thank you.
Are you Vietnamese?
No.
No?
All right.
You look like Vietnamese.
So we're doing a little bit of a tour around the golf course right now. And we're gonna be taking the buggy, so it's gonna be awesome. Yes, so apparently this hotel is equipped with an 18-hole golf course. Now I'm not into golf, but it's a good option if you love golf and you're planning to stay at this hotel on your Halong Bay visit. For now, I'm just gonna enjoy my buggy ride. We're at the golf club now. I guess if you play golf, you will be coming around here. I don't play golf though, so I'm just here for the ride. Did you play golf, Nick?
I can hit a ball.
I don't know what hole we're in, but that view down, you can see the valleys is incredible. What a gorgeous view. I just can't imagine when it's sunset and you get a little bit of that kind of orangey light shining through. Wow, incredible. So I decided to get some massage. Look at this place, so cool. So I'm kind of going for this one. 650,000 Vin dollar. How much is that? Let me calculate that. It's like $36 or $39. Not too bad if you're from Australia. The place is so lavish. Look at this. It's like rows and rows of rooms. And there's another room. There's a bathtub here. Interesting. This must be like a room for couples. But no Helmi here, unfortunately. Sorry, Helmi. I'm gonna get the most out of this trip.
A few moments later.
Oh, just got done. That was beautiful 1 hour session. I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow and book for 2 hours. That was really good, really necessary after that 20-hour journey here to Halong Bay. Very, very good. After that, a few of us decided to explore the local side of Halong. If you're a first timer here, there are two areas to note, Hong Gai and Bai Chai. Hong Gai is where most of the local people that live in Halong are. It's also the more quieter side of the city, that is the side I'm staying at. And Bai Chai, the more touristy area, nightlife, and also where most of the yacht and cruises are for Halong Bay. Today, we're gonna explore Hong Gai. I'll reserve Bai Chai for when I return back to this lovely city. I'm not even sure where I am right now, but there is this kind of like fish market right behind Vincom Plaza Center. Yeah, it's bustling, it's crazy. It's a Thursday afternoon right now, but yeah, so many people. Incredible. So Halong Bay is kind of like a coastal city, so that's why one of their most famous things to eat around here is actually seafood. So yeah, it's just tons and tons of seafood. I see crabs, I see lobster, and squid. Apparently squid is also very famous here. Just incredible. It is quite a scene to see. It's just bustling. It's vendors after vendors after vendors, and wow, just tons of seafood. Wow, I gotta get some seafood. Definitely this trip I have to get some seafood. You know, this is the fun part about like exploring Vietnam, Hong Gai here without any plan. Literally like amazing. I just stumbled into a fish market and tried, there was a lady that was kind enough to offer me like I think a squid cook with some chili or something. It was really kind of tangy. It was weird, really chewy though. But yeah, very fishy as well. Like interesting. I'm gonna see what else I can find around this area. I'm actually next to the Vincom Plaza now. But in front of me, like the view is like incredible. Look at this. So I've been told by the locals as well how famous seafood are here in Halong Bay because they're just a coastal city. You can see by the bay, there is just so much fishing boats out there, like the commercial fishing boats here. It's all small because they can't have the big boats. They tend to wreck the reefs and the environment as well, so they gotta go in smaller kind of boats. But yeah, there's hundreds of them. All right, back at the hotel. I'm at level 21. Apparently there's a sky bar. View down is insane. I could even look at the Vincom Plaza where we were before. Really nice place to kind of chill and just enjoy some good drinks. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate that I don't have time to explore much of Halong Bay. I think there are more things to do on the Hong Gai side and then on the Bai Chai side, which is more the touristy, more the food and all that stuff. Yeah, but here on kind of like a tour, so kind of have to follow the schedule. I'm sure I'll be back. Tomorrow we're gonna be heading down to the harbor and we're taking the yacht and we're gonna be cruising around the bay, so that's gonna be very, very exciting. When the night came, we were treated to this nice barbecue dinner, which you can actually book in advance for your group. Now, while Halong is famous for their seafood, their meat selection is just as incredible. It's worth booking this experience if you're opting for a nice dinner inside the hotel. All right, day 3 now, and we're heading down to Halong Bay. This is the exciting moment. We're in Bai Chai now at the Halong International Cruise Port, where we're gonna be taking the yacht, and then we're gonna be cruising all along Halong Bay. So a very exciting day. Everyone's here and we're ready. We got the team from Melbourne and the team from Sydney. Yeah, exciting stuff. There are different cruises that you can take here, an overnight cruise, a day cruise. It really depends on your itinerary and days here. Today we're doing the day tour. We're supposed to walk around the rocky areas here to the other side, so it's gonna be quite a hike. I love hiking, right? Not. But this is gonna be fun because the boat's gonna wait for us on the other end and we're gonna be trekking all around here. Wow, just beautiful. It's like probably like 18 degrees or 17 degrees here, which is really nice. Outside is humid and hot. That's a 200,000 Vietnamese dong, and that 2 rocks is the one we're seeing right now. Alright, so that's a little introduction to Halong Bay. Of course, you can stay longer, you can stay overnight. There are cruises that does that, and that is actually recommended by the local. If you have a night or two to spare here in Halong, then definitely do the overnight cruise. It's not the cheapest in the world, but it's an experience. You get to do some squid fishing, I believe, and they actually get light and they basically beam it down to the water to attract the squid so you can do some fishing. So yes, very, very excited. It was actually an enjoyable ride. There were no waves. The water was so still. It was incredible. Yeah, the view was amazing. We went through different islands. I actually can't wait to go back here and really explore Halong again with Helmi.